Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export videos in CapCut without needing the Pro version. CapCut asks you to join Pro if you're trying to export your video and get a message asking you to upgrade to CapCut Pro. Don't worry, it's usually because of one of these two things. Reason 1. You're using a Pro feature. You may have accidentally selected a Pro option like Pro stickers, Pro effect or Pro subtitles that are only available in the paid version. For example, if you've applied an effect that's make it with the Pro tag, CapCut won't let you export unless you upgrade. Solution: replace Pro effect with free ones. Here's what to do. Go back to your project, remove any Pro effects from your timeline, replace them with free effects under the basic section. Once you're done that, go back and tap export. You'll now be able to export your video without needing Pro. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.